Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and this is day 5 of my Advent calendar series for December, and Camille has decided to show up. So I have the Ipsy Advent calendar, and I have the Space NK Advent calendar. All right, Camille, I'm telling y'all. Anyway, this is the top tray from the Ipsy. In the first 4 days, at the end of the video, I have shown the actual calendars. So if you want to see what they look like, you can go look at that. This is number 5 in Ipsy, and in here is this cute little thing. It says State of Change, and it says Joy. It's parfum, and it is a balm, a perfume balm. It smells spicy. It smells good. I've seen some people say they didn't like the smell. Mine is not dried out. Some were dried out. It is, you would maybe put it here, or I don't know, behind your ears, because it's a balm. It's like a little bit of a salve almost. It smells good. To me, it's spicy. I like a spicy smell or scent. And that's what it smells like to me. It's good, I like it. It's called Joy. And it is by, I guess the brand name is State of Change. So it's just something different, a little something different and interesting. So that is day 5 of Ipsy. And then in the Space NK is really big, so it's hard to show. This is how it is. I think, okay, number 5 is down here at the bottom. Oh, ouch. I'll put those back. Way at the bottom is number 5. So let me see. I don't know how those were adjusted in there, but I'll put these back. That one's heavier, so I'll put it on the bottom. Okay, so before I do that though, if you're following the Christmas treasure hunt, I have this for you. So this is from ID. It is our ID.az, Dermastic Gold Fit Mask. This is a really nice mask. I've done this on a Mask Monday, and I really like it. And it's 2 pieces. It's very nice. I believe I got these from Fab Fit Fun, I believe. And so you can write on your list, you can write mask, you can write IDAZ, whatever suits you. You can write gold mask, whatever helps you remember what it is, okay? And then let's see, box number 5 in the Space NK is this. And it says, let it glow, let it glow, let it glow. And when you open this up, ooh, it's falling apart. Sunday Riley. Now, the Space NK came with a booklet, and the Ipsy did not. I'm not sure why, but this is the CEO. Here, I'll show it to you as I read it from the book. The Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. It boosts skin's radiance and help protect against environmental stressors with the fast-absorbing, antioxidant-rich formula. I have had this several times in the sample size. And I don't think I've ever had this in a large size, but it's a nice pump, real nice pump. I like that kind. And it's a glass bottle, and I'm excited to have that. So, and I believe that is the full size. It is, it says on there size, but 0.5 fluid ounces. So maybe it isn't, but the sample is a little tube. So I think this might be full size. There's a lot of full size in both of these calendars, so that is what I got. So that is day 5, and here is Blue. And y'all, thank you for stopping by, and count your blessings. And I hope you're having a great December so far. Blue, you want to say hey? Bye, y'all. Count your blessings.